Fitzy's gonna dive bomb Oliver. And I'm getting... Ah!
Oh, that's bad.
Baby,
What?
I'm recording video,
Nice.
and I can hear you.
Oh.
It's okay, you can say suck balls in the video, it's just...
Did I say suck balls? I didn't realize I had.
Yeah, it's probably not such a good idea.
I didn't know that's what I said.
Oh! Oh my! Oliver just totally launched on her.